Hey there, I've just come back from a run along the beach in the sun at Tweed Heads, which is on the border of New South Wales and Queensland. And it's kind of like 3 o'clock on a Thursday. What a great way to spend an hour. But it was because I was under pressure. I felt tired, I felt a little depleted, and I knew I needed to do something. And as leaders, often they tell us that the measure of a great leader is how much pressure you can endure or sustain. And I just don't think that's true. I think that's maybe the measure of a superhero. But us mere mortals, I think the way we measure our leadership is how quickly we identify when we need to replenish from the pressure that we're under. And I've had a tough week. I've run two full day workshops in New Zealand, which is exhausting. I've now flown to Queensland. I'm hosting 5 sessions over 3 days at an emerging leaders conference here, and heaps of other things in between. And it puts me under pressure. And every time you want to give an input into your team, you want to speak from courage and conviction, which means it takes a lot out of you. The more courage you give, the more encouraged others become. And ironically, the more discouraged you get. That is, you feel tired, depleted, and empty. And it's normal. And so as leaders, you need to learn how to replenish when you're under pressure. And right now, that's exactly how I feel. So here's the 3 things I've learned to do to replenish when under pressure. Number 1 is get at least one person around me who can speak life back into me. That's my wife, maybe a mentor, good friends, just to invest into me. Number 2 is do something that I love, do something that I enjoy, something that's fun. So going for a run is exactly that for me, because in Melbourne right now it's freezing cold, and so to run in the sun's pretty nice. The third thing is deep rest. If I can get 24 hours to just switch off and lay low, then it helps me to replenish. It's a little bit like the Jewish principle of the Sabbath, 1 in 7 days, just deep rest. So leaders, I hope that helps you think carefully about how you replenish when you're under pressure. Have a great week ahead.